Hi Reasoners, this is Mikhail from ReasonY. Today we are going to talk about the Pro Gladiator 3.0 shin guards. We updated the assembly, so let's look at it together. Here we have the individual components. Shin guard, foam for the shin, knee guard, foam for the knee, straps. So let's start the assembly. The shin part has openings for bending, so all what you have to do is use your hands and shape it according to your needs. If you want it wide, you can keep it wide, shape it wide. If you want it more narrow, you can go and shape it more narrow. And it's done. Second part that we are going to shape is the knee guard. First we are going to start with the locking tips. You bend them inside. Then you are going to do the side walls. You can shape it as you need it. If you have a bigger knee, then you shape it for a bigger knee. Then we are going to shape the main curve. And now all what you have to do is just lock it in. Lock one side, lock the other side. And the knee is ready. Last thing, you have to add the strapping. First you can do the elastic band. Run it through the opening. Use the stopper. Run it through the stopper. And you are going back into the opening. Adjust the length as you like it, as you need it. And on the other side, you are going to put the Velcro strip. And here you have two strips. One is longer, one is shorter. So the longer one comes here in front, and it's due to better locking. You are going to repeat the same thing on the shin part. Run the elastic band through the opening. Here's a stopper. Run it through the stopper. Back to the opening. Pull it, adjust the length. On the other side, you are going to put the Velcro. And now we are going to connect the knee with the shin. Here's the connector. It's a Velcro system. And you are going to add the foam. Again, it's a Velcro system. Knee part. And that's the whole assembly.